Hello over there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my dear students. This is your one and only AG sir, and today we are again with NLM series. So today our focus is on string constraint and wedge constraint. So basically we are discussing the constraint motion. This is exercise 1. So questions are bit easier. Okay, and the question is that find the velocity of hanging block if the velocities of free ends of the rope are as indicated in the figure. So this point is moving with 2 meter per second, this point is moving with 1 meter per second. So what is the velocity of this block? Okay, so first of all let us mark all the points. Point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this 2 meter per second is increasing the length of the string, so plus 2. This point is going nowhere, so velocity of this point is plus 0. Point first of all let us name the points 1, 2, so you can relate 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I have considered that this pulley is moving upward. This pulley is moving upward, so we have write the velocity of point number 1 as plus 2, of point 2 is 0, plus 0, 4.3, 4.4 is moving upward, so 0.4 is decreasing the length, so I am writing it as a minus velocity of pulley. Point number 5 is again decreasing the length, so that is minus velocity of pulley. Then point number 6 is 0, point number 7 is 0, so plus 0, plus 0, plus, and the point number 8, let's change the color, and for point number 8 it is plus 8 because it is increasing the length equals to 0. So summation is plus 2 plus 8, total is 10. So we got 2 Vp equals to 10. 2 Vp equals to not 10. Oh, that is point number 8. Sorry, this is my mistake. The velocity of point number 8 is plus 1. So here it will become 2 plus 1, 3. So velocity of pulley equals to 3 by 2, and as we can see our answer is positive, so what we have considered is correct, and I have considered that this pulley is moving upward, so upward direction is correct. So answer is 3 by 2 meter per second in upward direction. If the answer comes negative, which means the direction considered is opposite to the actual direction. Okay, so our answer is A. Then the next question is again find the velocity of block P at the instant shown in the figure. Okay, so again pointing all indicating all the points of the string. Point number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, stay squado. Give me the green light. Green light. Hey. Okay, naming the points. Point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at last point number 6. And I am considering that this block B is moving in this direction with Vb. So component of Vb over the string is Vb cos 37. Am I clear? Sorry for the vehicle noise. Okay, so 4.1 velocity is 0 plus 4.2.2 is moving downward. See, block A is moving downward. Block A is moving downward. So velocity of pulley is also the 10 in the downward direction. So this point is also moving downward and this point is also moving downward. So point 2 and 3 are increasing the length. So 4.2 I am writing plus 10, 4.3 that is plus 10, 4.4 that is 0, 4.5 that is 0, and at last VB cos 37 is decreasing the length. So minus VB cos 37 equals to 0. So here comes out 20 is equals to VB cos 37. 37 means 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Cos 37 is 4 by 5. So answer is VB equals to 25 meter per second. So our answer is 25 meter per second. This is our answer. Next question is, questions are easier as I said. Find the velocities. Find the only velocity of C. See, as you can see, the block A is moving downward with 6 meter per second and block B is moving upward with velocity 6 meter per second, means velocity of this string must be 0 meter per second, because this thing we have witnessed in the fixed pulley. We have done so many questions in which we have done like something like this, that the pulley is connected to two blocks A and B and it is hanged by some fixed support. So acceleration of A is, let us say, in this direction, so acceleration of B is in this direction. This is A and this is A, and we have said that this is the acceleration of A and acceleration of B is same when the pulley is connected with some fixed support, some rigid support, which means the acceleration of pulley is 0, velocity of pulley we could say is 0. If we are not saying the velocity of pulley is 0, that is also okay, but acceleration is definitely 0. So F net force on the string, net force on the pulley is 0. So net force over here is 0. So this point is also fixed. So this point is moving downward with 4 meter per second, then this point must be going upward with velocity 4 meter per second. There is no doubt in that. Okay, and if still you have confusion, then check your fundamentals. You will definitely get the answer much more easier way. This question is not much difficult. Let us say this is the velocity, this is u, and this is the velocity of point B, that is v. Okay, now taking the components, first of all put the coordinate system over here. I have placed coordinate system such a way that the one coordinate is parallel to the rod. So I can see that this is horizontal and this is the angle theta. So velocity is at an angle theta. So this component is v cos theta. Okay, again putting the coordinate system somewhere over here. And as this is theta, this is 90, this will be 90 minus theta, so this comes out this comes out as theta, and this is again theta. So this component is u cos theta, and this component is u sin theta. Let me draw the figure again more clearly, that this is the rod, and this point is having velocity, and this point is having velocity in this direction, which is v cos theta, and this point is having velocity in this direction, which is u sin theta. Can you relate from figure? And the length of the rod is not changing, which means these two velocities must be equal. So u sin theta equals to v cos theta, and from here we can say v is equals to u sin theta by cos theta implies v is equals to u tan theta. V comes out as u tan theta. So this is our answer. Okay, the next question is much more easier question. See, the velocity of point A is in this direction, and that is 1 meter per second. Okay, now taking the components of 1 meter per second, that is like this, that is like this, and sorry for my figure, I am not so much good with figures, but I could manage. At least you will get the idea what is that. Maybe I think maybe. And this is 1 meter per second, as you know, and this angle is 60 degree. So this is 1 cos 60. Okay, this is VB. VB is in this direction. This is VB, and you could see this will be 60 because this is 30. This angle is 30, so this angle must be 60. So component of VB in this direction along the string is VB cos 60, and as we know, the components along the string must be same. So from here we can write VB cos 60 equals to 1 cos 60. Cos 60 are gone, so VB equals to 1 meter per second in upward direction. So our answer is is D. KBC. Oh, easy peasy. All is well. See, we have figure like this and asked for contact forces. Okay, not to worry about, all is well. First of all, my one and only mg, this is nb, and this is na. Okay, drawing the forces in the coordinate system. And mg is in this direction. This is nb, this is na, A and this angle is 30. See how this NA is making angle 90 with plane, making the angle 90 with plane. So taking the components, we will get horizontal and plane will make 30 degree, and vertical and perpendicular to plane will again make 30 degree. So this is 30. See how you can do this. Horizontal and plane, angle between horizontal and plane is 30 degree. From here you can say vertical. Vertical is what? Vertical is perpendicular with horizontal, and normal to plane. Normal to plane is also 90 degree with plane. So this is the relation of 90. This is the relation of 90. So the angle will be same. Angle is again 30 degree. Okay. So this angle is 30 degree. Taking the components, we will get this as NA sine 30, and we will get this as NA cos 30. Comparing the forces, comparing the components, we will get mg, we will get mg is equals to NA cos 30. mg is 500 is equals to NA cos 30 is root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So NA comes out as NA is equals to 100 by root 3 newtons. Okay, NA is 100 by root 3. So from here we can say either option B, NA is 100 by root 3, NA not 100, 1000 by root 3, or option D, 1000 by root 3. Okay, now comes the turn of NB, and from here we can see NB equals to NA sine 30. NA sine 30. On the next page we are doing NA sine 30 is 1 by 2 equals to NB. NA is 1000 by root 3 into 1 by 2 equals to NB. So NB comes out as NB equals to 500 by root 3 newtons. Please check the answers. And the NB is, here you can see NB is 500 by root 3. So our correct answer is option B. Okay. Next is not difficult. We will, first of all, we will mark all the points. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, 4, 5. We are marking all the points which are connected somewhere. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Baba re, 10 points. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 and 8. Okay, if the length is decreasing, minus, increasing, plus. So point number 1, 0. Point number 2, decreasing the length, so that is minus V1. Point number 3, decreasing the length, minus V1. Point number 4, 0. Point number 5, 0. Point number 6, increasing the length, means plus V3. Point number 7, increasing the length, plus V3. Point number 8, 0. Point number 9, 0. Point number 10, decreasing the length, minus V2 equals to 0. So here we have answer minus 2V1 minus V2 is equals to minus V3 2 times. So V3, 2V3 is equals to 2V1 plus V2. Check the options. 2V3, none of the option having 2V3. So our answer is none of these. Okay. 2V3 is equals to 2V1 plus V2. We don't have any such option. So our answer is none of this. Okay, acceleration, ratio of acceleration of pulley to the acceleration of block is, first of all, let us consider that the acceleration of this block is A. Not block, acceleration of this pulley is AP. Pointing out 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Point number 1, no acceleration. Point number 2, increasing the length, means plus AP. Point number 3, increasing the length, means plus AP. Acceleration of block must go this direction, so that would be minus AB equals to 0. So 2 AP equals to AB. And what they have asked? They have asked for the ratio of acceleration to the pulley to the block. Pulley to the block means AP by AB is equals to 1:2. That is 0.5. And our answer is 0.5. Okay, so that is enough for today.